Hello, Evans. Evans, Otemenka. Okay, so let's walk our people through quickly. Walk them through. Assin Breku Matadis Prime Pamcho. Oh.
It's the coordination.
Assin Breku Matadis Primary.
Yeah.
MPP 209. NDC 201. LPG 0. Rejected 1. JSSB Breku MPP 172. NDC 144. LPG 0. JHSA Breku MPP 174. NDC 145. Rejected 6. Akonfo the Pentecost Polling Station A MPP 160. NDC 120. LPG 1. Spoilt 0. DA Primary 1 Akonfo the MPP 143. LPG 2. NDC 97. DA JHS Akonfo the MPP 232. LPG 1. NDC 147. Okay, so that's so far.
Yes, very.
Results
so far, they are abandoned. I just said, like we are saying, Memo be a ninja. Right now, Memo be a ninja.
Evans, hello, Evans.
Yeah.
Hello, Evans.
Yes, sir.
Pacho, what you
No, in Tokrom, DA Primary.
In Tokrom, DA Primary.
Yes.
Results to say.
In the public room, to me, APA 2, Abano, 425.
Okay.
Na enumuno NPP enya 93 LPG 2 NDC 325.
Okay, so 325. But what's Sisumai?
NPP 93.
Pamucho.
LPG 2. NDC 325. 325. Ballot. 5. And in Tokrom DA school.
Okay.
Right.
So yeah, that's it. This is your election headquarters. Kokromoti Power. Yeah, they brought quickly so we are giving you up to the minute. Obibia baby Abana Kosubiano 92 and 99 rather. Yeah. Walk them through again. If we are going by the results as so far, you know what I'm saying. Assin Breku Matadis Primary 1.
Right.
MPP 209. NDC 201. LPG 0. Rejected 1. JSSB Breku MPP 172. NDC 144. LPG 0. JHSA Breku MPP 174. NDC 145. Akonfo the Pentecost Police Station A MPP 160. NDC 120. LPG 1. DA Primary Akonfo the MPP 143. NDC 97. LPG 2. DA JHS Akonfo the MPP 232. LPG 1. NDC 147. That is Mozama Disco Cristo Akonfo the MPP 112. LPG 1, NDC 157, rejected 4. Now to a year
in
Tokrom DA Primary. MPP 93, NDC 325, LPG 2. Okay, so that's it. Still counting. Mama Refi said 99. Too early for any of the political parties to start. Jubilating.
Very
too early.
MPP.
And it's very close.
Now we are
very close. Very close. It's too early for any of the party supporters to be jubilating. It's very close for any of the political parties to be jubilating now. Okay, so so quickly now very early for any of the political parties to be jubilating. ABY, Ekuyabuachua, good evening. Baby Ojina and the results. Ekuya Boachua, good evening, Baby Ojina and the results. Ekuya Boachua, Baby Ojina and the results, quickly. Ekuya, Samuel Ba. Hello, Sammy.
Dede ni yɛte ne yɛkyi ha sɛ sɛ wohwɛ ɛdɔm a ɛwɔ yɛkyi ha sɛ ya yɛnkan aba ne wie yɛ sɛ obi ka kyerɛ sɛ yɛkan aba na wie na ho anigyeɛ na saa nnipa yi ɛnam mu a ɛnyɛ aba no ɛne yɛaka yɛ wie afei koraa na ɔmo kenkan ɛnso ne nnipa no a ɛyɛ dede no ka ne sɛ gyokwe sinawe ne but wohwɛ polling stations bɛn na yɛ wɔ ha sɛ ya emu bi ani hɔ nom a yɛaka yɛ wie eti yebebisa ọmụ edede ni bi ahwe se ọmụ dede yon de na ọmate eja de nti na mu jubilate
oh e fa say chasopoku e go for like sabah bo chanity ne ye chanity anwini
de na mahu a mose mawene de na
resources abani nyina
de resource na aba he fa de
police stations almost best 16 to 20 ni na yanyini ya kele no confidence na gab no so about boom 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 upon sikana mbotu ya e first who to me aka se sem no be ya e first kana di aka se sem no be ya no ya kele se ya ni e wo mbai aka se sem ya fe mu o mai asaba ni ya be ba to ya di mu ni e wo amaya sem no e mu do e di ya che who to me ane e fe kana di se ya ni NDC fo no ya ka me bro ma ya ni mu ase wo mu
yo ma ko mini abemes
yo
the jubilation na mu
aye honorable judge question ne hodo ane nanimo nyama a wo na Ghana ha NPP
bi resource ben na wate efi se ba bi a wo gina nya botre ba bi a wo gina yi ye nkan wie ye eti de ho anije na
okay ma resource na eba no ye ni je ho se figures na eba no a ye tete a eba no ye ni je ho enu ti na ya start a ye jubilate because ye kan ha no mahu so anya 201 ana me ye ne je ye de enti na ye jubilate a ona buja kwesi ne anim say ye to a NPP for sika omudi abegum wa ha no mu che sika 200 Ghana cedi 300 ne anim say onya bi kura 200 kura wonya 50 kura wonya no atimi anya 201 de na chese ya gina dia wo be fa ne nyina enti ho anigye na ahye yakoma mu a ye jubilate wa ha
ayo abusia ene a yati ye NDC achitafo ni bi na wo kire mu se omugidi ye se resource a emfiri baby a ye gina yi we ye ne omate every other polling stations no omo se owura jachi kwesin o lead eti omuhu ne se ware ni awie eno ho dede eno omo wo mu no na ye hwe ofa baby a ye gina yi a ase NDC achitafo ndo so wo ha ye bekọ ye nim ha se so ha so ye wo mu so a omo ye de
Samuel Ba Sami, good evening. If I know Gina
Oman disi ami wo ba Assin akonfodia wo
Coco shed Assin akonfodia yes
ona disi Oman kan bi aye NPP aye 258 and NDC 146 and LPG 1
yeah okay LPG 1 bibi me pamcho moment me mo resource in pamcho madaroma
hello
yes pacho if I not Gina
pacho me wo bedi adia bongro
oh if I
Assin bedi adia
bongolo yeah Assin bedi adia okay pacho yetio
okay pacho ba Assin bedi adia nipa na senka omutumi beto aba na 650 na yewe na nipa 458 ona omutumi beto ye rejected 13 na ya papa chasopoku 161 give jati question 283 na ya mama benefit so 1 nti sa na okopiem ewa ye gangan DA primary 1 and 2
Gangan
DA primary 1
Gangan DA primary 1
mbacho wane ɛhɔ no nso nipa na ɛsɛ nkɔm bɛto aba ɛyɛ 342 but yɛwie ne nipa ɔmo bɛto ɛyɛ 265
okay
rejected ɛyɛ 6
okay
Charles Opoku ɛyɛ 44 Jachikwe 44 yeah James Jachikwe Sin ɛyɛ 215 215 yes please and yama mechanics ɛyɛ 0 nti the aka no nso me de baba sisia.
All right, yeah, that's it. So grateful. Yeah, the Bremo and yeah, the Baba. So walk us through quickly.
So far the entire Kano Cocoa Shed. Bacho.
Why?
Cocoa Shed MPP 258, NDC 146. Omsi Bongolo Bedi Adia MPP 161 and NDC 283. MPP 161, NDC 283, and a Gangandi A Primary 1, MPP 44, NDC 250.
I think it's too close to call. Very close to call because we can see. Chairman, why the results are so far? 100 difference, 50 different, 20 different, and it favors the two parties. It favors the two parties.
The important, their stronghold is supposed to be Breku, and that place is neck to neck. You are Papa.
No, it's not true.
Almost strongholds, you know, neck and neck. Difference is about 10, 12 votes. Now, when you go to our
Chairman, are you following the sequence?
I've got it here.
Are you following the sequence? If you have 237 as against 147, okay, so you're quite humane so quickly. Hello.
Yeah, I'm following the sequence very well. I'm for the out of every 5, what that we call no, they will have a big about the 4 no, the four that you have mentioned. The difference between us and them. In any case, if we win by 50 plus 1%, we have won. That's the important thing. And
Apia.
And the way.
Hello, Apia. Abina.
Regional chairman
full of Assin North has spoken, and now whether the president cannot be done for Fado like it or not, he's going to obey that speaking of the electorate at Assin North. So we thank Almighty God. You are winning. It's not that it's bigger. It's bigger. So if I have 113 and I'm able to appreciate to 147 or 148, it means that we are winning. And that was 113 made us decision. And now we are now 147. So we are winning right now. It's not allowed. Our further question is going to be the next MP for
Abna, just go straight to your results for us, please. Go straight to the results.
NDC, Amayoko, Wamo, Akachia, Nina, Messime, Akasa, Wabadam, Media, electoral area, no, I say, NDC, Amayoko, no, Wamo, Ayabu, Alpha, MPP, Amayoko, no, Esco. Yeah, no, DC primary 1, Sadia, Abano, Equaye, name. MPP, Amayoko, Ora Charles, Opoku, Enya 242. 242. NDC, Amayoko, Yara James, Jachi question, Enya 147. 147. Mami Benis, Enya Nam, Enya 2. Benis, Enya Nam, Enya 2. And after the Aya 5. In all, no, DC primary school 1, no, Enipa 395. And a Etime Abatuaba. Out of 513. 513. Now, Mesaso Bana Ebo DCJHS1. DCJHS1. I want to put your question here. Ora Charles Opokuya was Jamo Adema FPP Amayo Kono, and 145. 145. And I Papa James, Jachu Question, NDC, Amayoko, and 179. And Amami Banis, and 1. Rejected, and so I 1. And if 403, and I know one more shining for Baba Swaba, if we are 326, and a one more Eto Abano. Now, Miss for Nilikakra, Ade, Amaya for and I say Yashafua. And Grandma had done some mid-year. I am the Cassa, NDC, Amaya Kuono, you were Jinamo Ade Amamo, Ora, James, Jachu Question, Anna Alpha, and Untim Diana, Papa, Ade Ama NDC Amayoko, what the Brana Basha, a more ampany for regional chairman, ya will say after some term.
Okay, so that's it. Yeah, that's a piece of the brain. You best you go through the results again.
So far, into DC Primary 1, our boss, no. There's a MPP nya 242, NDC 147, and now but DC JSS 1 MPP 145, NDC 179. There's a DC Primary. Fire. That's quite very interesting. Etinameka said, you cannot be jubilating now.
You can't.
Maybe at the end of you cannot.
Yes,
Chairman Kasembi said, Breku MPP stronghold. If you check the 2020 election, NDC won 12 out of 13 polling stations in Breku.
Yes.
So if you base the result based on the 2020, you cannot say NDC have done better now compared to what happened.
Because when you are 12 out of 13.
Out of 13.
This time the MPP is winning.
Yes. So I don't know.
At least with slim margin for Assin Breku here.
Okay, so still your election headquarters, Kokromoti Power. I'm sure, say NCBA, our reporters across the length and breadth of the 99 places won the results in Ebebro. But so far, results are Ebano. Results are so far Ebano. Let me quickly walk you through, and then Yababa back Namina Jan Transfer Abba Yakobiema Assin Breku Methodist Primary 1 MPP 209 NDC 201 LPG 0 rejected 1 JSS Breku B Breku MPP 172 NDC 144 LPG 0 JHS Breku MPP 174 NDC 145 rejected 6 LPG 0 Account for the Pentecost Polling Station A MPP 160 NDC 120 LPG 1 spoiled 0 DA Primary 1 account for the MPP 143 LPG 2 NDC 97 DA JHS account for the MPP 232 LPG 1 NDC 147 MDCC, that's Mozambique Cristo Church account for the MPP 112 LPG 1 NDC 157 DA Primary 2 account for the MPP 108 LPG 3 NDC 103 rejected 3
DC Primary 2 MPP 202 NDC 110 in Tokrom DA Primary MPP 93 NDC 325 Cocoa Shed MPP 258 NDC 146 Bedi Edia Bongoro Bedi Edia MPP 161 NDC 283 Obahanswa DC Primary 1 MPP 242 NDC 147 DC JSS 1 MPP 145, MPP 145, NDC 179.
So we can still say that it's very close to call.
Very close.
Very close to call.
Okay. All right.
From
Chiapiasi.
Yes, in 2020, NDC now 107.
Odum is on the line. Odum, Majo to say, oh, Kasa free. Odum.
Hello.
Odum Yetio.
There was four police stations, and I was now he expected 584, and a better now a move 420 and the better year. You are just a Boko MPP and 200, then the 7 no LPG and 1, and I did the cheapest in NDC and 210.
So 213 for Jechikwesi, 200 for
Yes,
MPP.
213 for NDC, 200 for NDC.
Kushia.
That's and Kushia DC primary.
Pacho, okay, to was na 90 mubiem. Assin Kushia MPP 200. Is that correct?
Evato Assin Kushia DCJHS police station DCJHS.
DCJHS.
NPP 200.
NDC
213.
213.
LPG 1.
LPG 1.
Rejected AS6.
Rejected 6.
And the Nano AS 420.
Okay.
Afi Assin Kushia DC primary.
Assin Kushia DC primary.
DC primary. Kiaotokuku 164.
164.
NDC 124.
124.
124. LPG 3.
LPG 3.
Rejected 1.
Rejected 1.
Assin Kushia Methodist primary.
Assin Kushia Methodist primary.
NPP 266.
MPP
266.
266.
Yes.
NDC.
NDC 121.
12.
LPG 1.
Pacho. NDC 12.
121.
121. Okay. And then LPG.
LPG 1.
Okay, rejected?
Rejected here 3.
3. Okay.
Kushia Methodist Church.
Kushia Methodist Church.
Methodist Church.
MPP.
303.
MPP is saying?
303.
303.
NDC 72. NDC 72.
Pacho. The last figures, MPP 303, NDC 72, and then LPG
0. And I rejected AS7.
Okay.
Police station at 9 LPG.
All right. So, yeah, that's it.
I think so.
All right.
Yeah, that's it.
So far.
More results back.
Yeah.
If you trap Yasi, in 2020, NDC had 107. We had 31. Now NDC had 81. We had 50.
We have to confirm that.
I'm just giving you the figure.
Yes.
We have to confirm
From
that.
you.
But this is a credible figure.
We don't doubt
I'm
his
too
credibility.
credible.
No,
He's an
understand.
interested party.
No,
He's an interested party.
NDC won, and I'm telling you they won. I said they had 81.
provided
And then
with
NDC had
information.
50.
We'll confirm the
So
figures. We'll
What is
confirm.
your problem?
We'll
But
confirm the figures.
Kushia is the stronghold of NPP. It's the stronghold, and we have matched them boot for boot. Now the votes there have been, we are looking for about 30% on that. And
But Chairman, would you believe that it's too early to jubilate?
I'm telling Chairman that we are comparing two elections.
National
No.
and by-election.
I'm saying that 2020 and just after 2020, I'm saying that Kushia we won, but our margin is not as huge as today. You should go and compare.
So the margins are better this time.
No.
We were looking.
Okay,
We were looking for 30% from.
Let's confirm.
Okay.
Let's confirm.
We are doing that confirmation now.
Yes.
We are doing that confirmation now.
But am I too early to conclude? You see?
Manager Tuatia Kasa, it's very early for all both political parties to
so
jubilate.
NDC for now. almost strongholds not to do an banner. They have started jubilating. They should hold on. Almost two omobo. No more BP. Yes. The end will justify the means.
So it's interesting. Very interesting, Chairman. Very interesting.
You see,
Ike Wahomanoso. Ike, good evening, Ike.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Ike Okasafri.
Mikasafri Kushia.
Kushia.
Kushia, Minikade. Bako Ebaya, Kamiensa, as a family de Soso.
Pacho Ediaba. And I Kushia for Frobim.
Assin Kushia.
Okay, Pacho. 90 Munia Rad F5. 90 Munia Rad. Yet you.
Okay.
F4 police stations.
Yet you.
Kushia DCJSS.
Abba.
Kushia JSS Abba.
Yes, Abba.
Okay. Methodist Church
Abba.
Okay, Methodist Primary
Abba.
Okay, and you watch Yanu, you hold the Abba.
Okay, you, yeah, CP. So, also, Timothy Aboy, Mame Kosoka say, Achiana. Okay, so Mame Kao say, we are live on Adom FM, Adom TV, Love FM, Inshira FM, Joy FM, Asempa 94.7, and Joy News, and all our affiliates. This is your election headquarters, Kokromoti Power. Here the results, no, bro. Many Jantua Kosoka will say, it is too early for any of the political parties, the leading actors, NDC, MPP, to jubilate. Yakwa Manosu Evans, good evening. Upon to say, Ifan our results.
Hello.
Hello, Evans. Hello, Evans.
Hello.
Yes, Evans. Ifan our results. Let's say.
So what do you mean?
Yes, Metro Kakoso. Evans Pacho Jina Hoye.
Omudi ama vote dinu mo pa ye anwesu kwanta.
Edian kwanta.
Abano yetu ye ne nipa dodo a omutumi pie ba ba to abano. Eye 209 ene tumi pie ba to abano. Na enumu no NPP enya 47. NPP 47.
MPP.
NDC
hold on
160 160 ena emu2 eye spoiled ballot.
MPP nya say
nipa dodo mu pie ba to abane 209 emu 209 no NPP 47 NDC 160 160 ewo Assin Benuye.
Okay.
Benuye DA Primary School.
Benuye BA Primary School. Okay, so yeah, that's CP Benuye DA Primary School. You could show the mano, bro. When you are subject to the Electoral Commission consent, it's when you are able to we trust in our election headquarters, but Electoral Commission for and the opinion basis so no understand so now BBECO. But let me keep telling you, say the results are still trickling in. Very, very close. You cannot say MPP Adin Kunim and NDC Adin Kunim. It is very early to jubilate. That is the truth. This is your election headquarters, Kokromoti Power. Honorable.
Provisional results. Yes. Overall trend analysis now clearly. Otimi who say overlapping ewom kakra. It tells you say too early to conclude on the election as to whether say party we are winning and say we elusu.
Let me come in here. So we share 2020 results.
2020
results. Now compare. MPP lost the rural areas by 70%. NDC won 70% of the rural areas.
But it's not reflecting.
I'm coming. Let me finish. And they won Breku 12 polling stations. If you isolate the Breku vote, which NDC won 12 polling stations out of 39, MPP still won the parliamentary election. So Breku.
So we Breku free
man. We Breku as a town free the whole results
because of the 13 police stations.
Because of 13
Amanosuaha.
And the Breku is going to be a key battleground.
We lost the rural areas. NDC won 70%. We are 30%. And I'm telling you that Breku voted on block for Jechikwesi.
Yes.
So if we took Breku
out of the equation,
MPP still won the parliamentary election. So Breku is going to be.
But this time round, 4 now by the MPP.
I'm saying that I'm just supporting your argument that Breku is going to be the determining factor.
All right.
Because whether MPP is going to lose the rural areas by 60 or 70, that one will not affect our vote.
Exactly.
Okay. But what is going to be the key battleground is who wins Breku. Whoever wins Breku with the slightest margin will win the election.
Okay, so
I don't
that's
see
it.
I don't see it that way at all.
Chairman Adekoka.
Definitely, but
Chairman Adekoka.
That is far.
Michael Wauman, Chairman Besa Mwaba. Michael, let's say now where you from?
Sisi ame saka mi wo Saint DA Primary School.
Saint
Yes, DA Primary School.
Pacho yetiu.
NDC stronghold pa.
Saint DA Primary School na enipa na share nim say nko to aba na 604. 428. No mutumi beto here. Rejected 16. And Yera Tato Poku 123.
123.
Yera James Dachi Question 285.
285.
No, it's okay. It's okay. 285. We are interested in the difference.
285. 285. Pacho 285, right?
285.
Okay.
285.
All right. Yeah, to us. All right. Where you sit? I want to sit.
Answer. Last elections, no. Almost wide gap, no. Almost 400 difference. And then yeah, closely. Less than 200 votes. So it tells you say NPP has performed creditably well. Why? We are looking at the trend now.
Don't look at it.
No.
Don't look at it.
Because
don't look at it.
What I
the dynamics are not the same. Don't look at it.
The dynamics are not the same. The trends that I'm seeing from other sources, right? It is important for us to win the rural areas. The rural areas. For the what?
The margin is key. That's why we cannot run away from that.
What?
No, so the margin is key.
And the margin, we are saying it. Look at Gangam. Look at Century. Look at Mamaka Sevier.
No, but Century, at least we've been able to close it.
You know,
and
for Breku, if you look at the results that are coming from Breku, right? The difference.
Breku, we have only 4 out of the 13.
Exactly.
So let's wait and see how it goes. Mame Kosonkao said, "This is your election headquarters, Kokromoti Power." Still counting down who wins the by-election. Ewo Eye Assin North. Emarefi 99. And as I said, about 200 results. So far, we are around 20, and we are still counting down. It's too close to call. Jubilation should be modest. Political party be anywhere. Obetimi Assin Buakase Wadin Kunim as we speak now. Not NDC, not MPP. Obi anywhere. Obetimi Akase Kase Wadin Kunim. It can be possible.
And that's
very
true
close.
Because
but I'm happy. I'm happy with our performance. Because Omahini a NDC stronghold patch as a headquarters.
Senchim.
I'm telling
you.
604. Yes, I'm telling you.
And they voted 400.
More than even 400 votes difference. 2020. But now, no, you're close. You're close, gap, no. You're close, even more than 50%. It tells you one thing, say, results, no, will be a nyabotre. Now,
we are still counting.
Yes.
See, I 90, 80 over every day. Now, for you, na yenkoyenim live on Adom FM, Insura FM, Enkwa FM, and then Joy FM, Asempa FM, Adom TV, Joy News, all the onlines, My Joy Online, Adom Online, Asempa Online, Insura FM Online, Love FM Online, all the onlines, we've activated them. We are doing till the Electoral Commission. These are provisional. na electoral commission enche one of the almost stamp on the team to say pam. Then by 10 p.m. I'm sure na yenye hu eye the odin kunim say eye zoo and I say eye eshio. Okay, so it's here.
So am I in for the sake of
yes, so
all right, so far no.
Yes,
Assin Kushia the buy and in Yamube and 9 into DC Junior High School MPP 200 NDC 213 MPP 200 NDC 213 DC Primary MPP 164 164 NDC 124 Methodist Primary MPP 266
JJ.
Okay, JJ.
What are my money, JJ?
All right.
Hello, JJ. What you say?
Oh my.
Good, JJ. What you
Oh my Gold Coast Camp again at sea and let me have been
Gold Coast Camp.
Aye.
Okay, it's you.
MPP in 111.
111.
NDC in 256.
256.
Sorry, 251.
251. 251.
Yeah. LPG now 2.
LPG and you're saying?
Aye.
Saying?
I go 5 in the 10.
Rejected the 5. LPG and you're saying?
MPP now 111. 111.
Yes. NDC and you're saying?
NDC in 251.
Anna LPG and you're saying? All right, yeah, that's it. So what Timothy Emmanuel Eddie Abrain. We are still, yes, holding on our reporters at the 99 polling centers. We are very sure. Say Enchebia updating baby bibia. Yeah, nanti umuboko. Yeah, mpri ya hon engo kandi enim. Tika wakoma cho yeah because eye abacho oko pepre oko ba abana ekoti ekoye nchachia. Ehun susuanso no enye papa. Eti wa ohwe ofie. Mo amutie yen radio so all over the world. Take your time. This is your election headquarters. Yenye die binimo ye. Accuracy, efficiency, reliability, truthfulness, objectivity. This is our hallmark, and this is your election headquarters. Kokromoti power. Yeah, they bro. So quickly walk us through.
It's in Methodist Primary, so MPP 266, NDC 121.
Hey, for the MPP nya agenda 111.
Agenda 111 is Gold Coast Camp.
Gold Coast Camp.
Agenda 111. MPP 111. NDC 251. NDC 251. LPG 2 rejected 5.
Okay.
CNCHIM, right? CNCHIM DA Primary.
Yes.
MPP 123. NDC 285.
Okay.
MPP 123. NDC 285. Assin Bernuye DA Primary.
Assin Bernuye.
Yeah, omo can say Evieso Nkwanta.
Okay.
MPP 47.
Okay.
NDC 160. 160.
Okay.
MPP 47. NDC 160. And
Okay.
a Methodist Church MPP 303. MPP 303. NDC 72.
Okay. So bottom top approach, DA Primary 2, Akonfode, MPP 108, Ike, while man should be Ike at the same results at the same.
Ayo, Sauba Chiano dia.
Oba, Ike, Jamie, Oi. Hello, Ike. Unfortunately, Ike MC Yano. So DA Primary Akonfode, MPP 108. LPG 3, NDC 103, MDCC Akonfode, MPP 112, NDC 157, LPG 1, DAJHS Akonfode, MPP 232, LPG 1, NDC 147, DA Primary 1 Akonfode, MPP 143, NDC 97, Akonfode Pentecost Polling Station, MPP 160, NDC 120, LPG 1, JHS Breku A. Ike, yetie ohifa na ojina. Yes, meteuka.
Okay. Chiano Tatran Kwanta. Total vote card 252.
MPP nya saying.
MPP enya 78.
78.
NDC enya 169.
169.
LPG enya 1.
1 LPG. Rejected.
4.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Ena oba channel DA.
Channel DA.
MPP enya 200.
MPP 200.
NDC 176.
176. 176.
LPG 1.
LPG 1.
Rejected 3.
Rejected 3.
So far, piano the yenya no nti
Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, Gusu I'm saying just walk us through quickly.
So it's interesting, say Chiano Tetre Unquanta.
Hey, serious.
MPP Elusie. Oba Chiano DA na MPP the same Chiano.
So they are cancelling their
wins
in the against.
So Chiano Tetre Unquanta MPP 78, NDC 169. But Chiano DA MPP 200, NDC 176.
Okay, so Yegusu, your election headquarters here, the results, bro. Mamenka said this results, provisional results, and Chebia, the Electoral Commission of Ghana, the true reflection of the elections. Akoso, Assin North, Ebeba Enche. We are still hoping say bibia beko kama na yenyina na yajibre na yetimi akọ the various areas na akọ jubilate na bibia akọ kama. So ye kwa omano so quickly na yakotie yenua be baby ogina na results are eba ewo honom. Michael, good evening. Ujina.
Good evening, Pastor. You see, I'm a Gangang DA Primary 2.
Gangang.
Gangang DA Primary 2. Medical DA Primary 1 aba. Into where DA Primary 2. Into where more Gangang DA Primary 2 are.
Yes.
And if I expect to send compared to a band, 584. Out of 584, no 428. You know, much me better here. Rejected 5.
Okay.
Yewra Charles Opoku 93.
93.
James Jachikwesi 93. Yeah, James Jachikwesi 328. 328. And I am Ayonam Senior 2 from Gangan DA Primary 2.
Pamcho.
Pacho Mrs. Subiamana.
Pacho Sisubiamai.
Me Pacho Omwana Senko Mobeto 584. And Nipa 428. Enya Quenya Betoye.
Yes.
Rejected 5.
Yes.
Yewra Charles Opoku 93. Yewra James Jachikwesi 328. And Yama Benison Sunya 2 from Gangan DA Primary 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, okay, so yeah, that's CP. MPP 44. That's where Gangan DA Primary 1.
MPP 44.
44.
And NDC
215.
And a Primary 2.
Primary 2. MPP 93. NDC 328. Okay. So walk us through so far results.
And so far, no sir, a free CNCM DA now MPP 123, NDC 285. Gold Coast Camp, a Honda MPP nya agenda 111. And a NDC 251. Chiano Tetremo Quanta MPP 78, NDC 169. Chiano DA MPP 200, NDC 176. Gangan DA Primary 2 MPP 93, NDC 328.
So far, your provisional bano, your coso airborne kaya say, your jibrine the results na bro, your prayer home because our results said the munya bribiada electoral commission for any more than difference behind him, even though a provisional. Assin Breku matter this one, MPP 209, NDC 201, LPG 0, rejected 1. JSSB Breku MPP 172, NDC 144, LPG 0, JHSA Breku MPP 174, NDC 145, rejected 6. Akonfo the Pentecost Police Station MPP 160, NDC 120, LPG 1. DA Primary 1 Akonfo the MPP 143, NDC 97, LPG 2. DA JHS Akonfo the MPP 232, LPG 1, NDC 147. MDCC Akonfo the MPP 112, LPG 1, NDC 157. DA Primary 2 Akonfo the MPP 108, LPG 3, NDC 103. Yegusua, yeah, Kinkai Neji Abatuono said the AC. Do you still believe that it's too close to call?
Very, very close. I mean, Osha Impanyufwe Krenima. I mean, obviously, Wintimin Kase, Omania Giana, so mo eraho. I am misfeel because they said the Ekayano. NDC campaign, MPP Swaya campaign. And I will share Gabonuswa, Esuswa. But Sabia as MPP, say, and NDC Mwa Kakra womb, but MDC for no su Chima, a temu.
Okay. Minister, what's accounting for this?
Make a chairman, you say, baby, MPP, you know, more contesting. The gap is not that wide, but our rural areas where we see that the gap is very, and that's an indication that the trend, even though it's too close to call, we can comfortably say that we are winning.
Hey, Chairman Osako Kebiemo. Chairman Osako,
we can comfortably say we are winning because out of 22 polling stations, NDC has.
Chairman Kasamaikinim.
Out of 32 polling stations,
results
22 polling
results free.
Source, Wezo TV.
Debbie.
No.
Wezo cannot be part of our production.
NDC
Wezo cannot be part of our production.
So take your time.
Wezo cannot be part. That is why I refuse the sector minister's results. Wezo cannot be part of our result.
But honestly, we share trend analysis. Now, clearly, you could see say NDC stronghold no. In terms of commanding lead, we almost stronghold no. Of course, I know the Obet me admit say almost at the copper. But MPP stronghold no, yeah beat you. But the true baby are not difference no. Ever form kakra. But too early to say NDC be win this situation. No, right. It's too early. I don't see that way.
Look, I consider 9 polling stations.
Yes.
So for how many have you had? Only 3.
Only 3, yeah.
So we have 6 are standing to call. Breku has 13 polling stations.
Right.
How many have you called? Only 3.
Yep.
So we have about 8 to call. Asambana Mai, Prasumbai, Enja and Bai. So we need to be careful.
But and I'm also looking at communities like Kalu, Aiteman,
right,
and Kranfokro. You see, Ehono used to be NDC stronghold.
Right.
But from intelligence, I may pick it from there, no?
Right.
MPP has been able to close gap, no? Hot, you know, too early. So, bet me.
Jamaica, so I'm sure so I'm monitor. I mean, from your perspective, you know, who say a koye mama because utie chairman they say comfortable lead, you know, omuwom. Ya TV pen there, and answer still mujina so say you are in a comfortable lead.
You they can more friend Assin of Fuabasu Papa. Wanga ya dema IFA. So far we say abato no we are quiet. Come. I'm say pockets of we depend about I used to say uncle ya nyina condemn.
Right.
I'm saying all political parties in Abasu.
Right.
Maybe I found you that say police fire will make you na baby amemete no and sania me hu no fa no
right
enya won wakra is not far from bibi ebe ye won say MPP bet my first city NDC is winning the seat
right
Pernia me magna NDC is winning
it's a normal because who here NDC
no because I can't say information am one no
everything
exactly no until na person me chere say me kunya fia na me kunya fia so what I say
I hope it's credible.
And figure be
I hope it's credible,
very credible,
all right,
because there were young agents all over the whole
multimedia and so on so will confirm
exactly
right
until per young information I in Sakano so far no we are leading margin no enye that close. Margin enye that close. Emu betwe. Na ne amekani ye wi a ese Assin North ekoso a etumpon. Na amekani say what you say. Because enche kura no ye be ho bibi foforo. Na no na ye caution ye nuanom no. Say one ma enkoye sada bia me awode na be call to me wode na be call Provisional ya tra ho me nim say fe say oboba ba ni wi a obeka ko fan san mo de aba be si ha de a ye nim na moma ye momoden say abrebia no ye be di no kware e de amaya.
So let's look at the result.
Yeah.
Let's look at the results so far.
Yeah.
O share results na eba na.
Yeah.
O say MPP etimi ma NDC Mogabo kakra, MPP NDC fonso timi ma Gabo kakra. Enti akwese we twa kakra na we atwa kwa. So ayame wanwa say
obi atwa
mo say gidie ni say
obi atwa ne yonko kakra ba ayahwe margin no. There be a MPP winning no. NDC close margin no. And so far what they compare even 2020 election so what I say, you appreciate almost all our figures. And now baby hono MPP declining. Enti nia make any say enya wonwa say ye nua no because we no ho no ngasro but nia ye hu ne say eye Assin of virtually say wonim nia wo pe
right
wonim nia wo pe
Honorable Nasi is not true. Why?
I think sir I see are careful about
the patcho
the comment general public meeting.
Right.
We are discussing election results. Minimum baby PSC Kofa and Sawam prison as a bar. Obi a dinner some court. Let the court handle it.
Exactly.
The election results are is it saying that Obi a money ama court unka? Is it
what can we do? Let's focus on
no.
results.
But when are you moderator?
Yeah,
you see, there are certain commenter you allow people to throw you out there. So one as a host, one can once a month. We are creating certain impression in the minds of people.
Right.
And I think that it's important you put certain things on record.
Right.
Sir, Ghana had the man here.
Right.
Okoya idea, let emrachi. Idea okay. ABS. And then most second the co-prison.
Chairman.
I think it's important, sir. PSA should not bring back to the results. Or see, or more appreciate it. And it is not true. I'm giving you the distance. If you could see a gem results, it shows, sir, MPP, though we lost the seat, we lost the same gem. We've done well than what we did in 2020. And say we are doing well in this by-election than what we did in 2020. Because Brekuno and Americano. NDC we need 12 police stations. Chairman. Out of 13.
Chairman.
And it is not
Chairman. The dynamics have changed. Last time, no. Your candidate was not from Brekum. Your candidate was from what do you call Kushia. This time your candidate is from Brekum. So the two candidates are all from here. Naturally, and if you look at the dynamics here, most of them are family members in this particular constituency. But I can say that without any doubt, NDC is taking the seat, is retaining the seat. Whether the votes in NDC stronghold or MPP strongholds narrow. Evidence are here. I cannot say it here, but I can confidently say that at this stage, anybody who is an NDC member should go out there and jubilate. We have won the seat.
Chairman.
Chamade, electoral commission file results no my.
This is very contentious comment.
No.
MPP for
why a chairman one for elections
MPP for
electoral commission
MPP for almost the NDC for no. We can't collate our results. This time round,
no.
We set us ourselves a tap. I'm not putting out anything, but I'm saying that I can now use the word again. I can say that we are comfortably in lead. I can say that. That's why you can't take it for me.
Even 90.
You cannot take it for me.
You see, Chairman.
Chairman, baby, honorable. Chairman, they say NDC amanyoko makanye Mukita, more resource in the Kitamu.
Resource. I've got it here. I've got it. I got 3 police stations.
I'm a
party man. Chief. I'm a party man.
Chairman.
And as I sit here, I am being communicated with.
But multimedia,
Forget about
so we cannot rely on
don't rely on me.
Now listen.
I'm not saying multimedia.
Hold on, Kaka.
Please,
your sources.
Let me put a disclaimer to you.
Right.
A disclaimer. This is not from multimedia.
Right.
This is from NDC sources.
Okay.
And as we sit here, NDC, we have a coalition center. And the coalition center is communicating with me because they know I am on the set. And I'm telling you that we are in comfortable lead.
I think this is a political comment. You see, no, Tie. You are not electoral commissioner of Ghana. Chairman, Tie. Yate analysis aye nyano. Ye nyano. Me hey. My quality, you see, collation, all the provisional results, I have it here.
Yes. So MPP for
of course. Well networked. But the point is, Electoral Commissioner of Ghana, or no, and a return officer.
Obeje be lamped.
Oh, please.
Obeje be lamped. Clear result. 204. 204. Obeje be lamped.
Chairman. My Collins into us. Collins.
But Chairman, you see, I am very unfortunate to make that contemptuous comment here. A very dangerous statement. Because if the results, because we are here to get all the total results. Now, as I'm now can Obi Kotia Obi na so sesia na aye chairman de koka and no person dey basa
no you
don't do that
no
you don't do that
Collins
hold on because again you are creating fear panic you want your people and disrupt the process of
Collins. No, I am talking to NDC before.
So apologize.
I'm not apologize.
Hold on.
You see. You don't do that.
Chairman Adedika kase resource no enye resource a free electoral commission enu plenty ya mana amobo but my drawn attention to it saying so wo kase chitafo ni si abontin jubilate a wan hwe ya be ma omo force so because electoral commission betumi the different results aba wate ase eti honorable to awode no so ema yen say wo se mwanya bi a yenyi obi ade wo ha
can say if you hire ti say no analysis of Assin North by-election. Results now are tricking in. I'm looking at baby apathy. I was true because may compare with previous results. No, may share your stronghold say apathy no na at saying. That's where may try to analyze the issue. And same as
Honorable Tobo.
Oh please, Chairman. Same as Chairman Tihoy. On also so Ninkro for. I'm on the provisional results. I also analyze it. But say ujina hoka say tingu montene and jubilate wa bra say to me no eni wo ho 2 minutes new ho
everyone look at other jurisdictions. CNN, when the electoral commission of the country has not they call. I am calling.
You are calling what?
That NDC win the election. No, you can't stop me from doing that. No, you don't do that. You don't do that. You are chairman. You can't stop me doing this. You can't stop me from doing that. You can't stop me. No.
Jamade, yeah, platform ni.
On your electoral commission, yourself.
Yeah. Entini afre your reporters or modi eba no. Eti who say your catcher will say.
Are you doubting me? You have reporters. You are believing them, but you don't respect me.
Yeah, platform ni.
But you have reporters. We also have reporters.
Yeah, woman source no. Your man in the
I am telling you the source and our party.
Our party.
For the avoidance of that, Mamunji Aswa Makano.
Honorable Collins, that's it. Honorable Minister, so Honorable Central Origin. Results are shasiye ebano. We ni na mo share ni mu because ebi wo hono mo a gab no mo se ya bridge gab no ebi so wo hono mo a wo hwa results eba na NDC amanyoko no se o mu twemu mu ni na mo share ni mu pe madwuma amaye wo region no na ebe
ebi why thank you. Let me say Assin of a peculiar constituency of ya adwuma yin so dia hati. So who cause CNCM ni gangania dia anytime be to ababia and this twem that is where omo form aba no mudi win. The last election results back where by omo twem over 400 we no matwem about omo nya 285 we nya about 183. So we share in terms of comparison I think yeah but it is not enough to close that wide gap now omo the mine omo areas are omo win omo twem depending on the component of and our constituency any more background bedroom free, we take all those things into consideration. Now they had the main road now, a strong road near their balancing. So far as I am concerned, trend now around Kangani Sienchep area. It's the same trend that you see 2020. But what made the difference? I keep on saying was break election because in spite of to be 400 300 was I and okay managing now we break results still are there the other areas I cover they are winning. Unfortunately fortunately for us now Brekuno all the 12 seats will not go to the 12 police stations will not go to NDC again. So we are watching because they are stronghold. There's some partner here Praso Nina Mbai. So we are because that Sampana is place I want to meet to about 90% MPP. That's the way I gang for no 90 as Sampana here for 2. So as I sit here as Sampana here I need to for so I confide the quiet like I said 9 polling stations, only 3 Panaba, 6 number. Until we need to wait a bit and see the trends. The trends will continue sir. We can still get our 90% from a Sampana here the price now. That it means that we are in for a game.
It's say Niamani that so ye a Sampana ye and a praso.
No, a Sampana ye praso a confident and a breku because breku for instance only 3 polling stations per and Aba. There are 8 polling stations at Mbaye. So we are watching. We are watching the trend.
So far near Bando who say ye.
No, so far
and this man you go no say from Omo Puntebu or Mabuno. Omo who said Omo de to 2020 about one who are Yama this time go be to me and be abroso. Also, oh, can't bomb the when you actually near my yes. Say, and no Nico ye.
Well, I don't have those results. But I'm saying, sir, based on the trend there, what Assin of had, based on the trend there, and I want to emphasize on it, based on the trend there, what Assin of had. These are the areas, sir. Yeah, the close to Ganganis area. Yeah, the Praso, Asampana, a confident, Breku. Unfortunately for us, we lost Breku to NDC in the year 2020. And I'm saying that now only 3 results are in. There are 8 or 9 left. So let's wait. Let's be patient. I do not have the answer. I don't. Yes.
Unfortunately, I think your reporters are a bit behind. That is what we should acknowledge. So Brekuna or Chenya, of course, all of them are before I make I say.
Yeah, reporters no chairman no munye behind. Yeah, verify.
Okay. Okay. But I'm saying that as someone can. If you, I'm a party man, and as I sit here, I keep saying that party officials are sending me results. It has all been captured here. I just that I won't mention it. But I'm waiting for you to mention your results. But as I sit here now, I can confidence I've got most of the results, right? Because the people who are giving you the results are Ghanaians. And the people who are giving the are Ghanaians, they were all at the police station. I personally went round and I saw what was happening. When you also went round. Let me tell you, they had a problem in their strongholds. The turnout in their strongholds was low. The turnout in our stronghold was high. That's the problem. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Their strongholds was below 50%. Where's our strongholds? That is what is reflecting here. So if Collins knows what I'm talking about, my brother knows what I'm talking about. So we have to wait, like you said. But in this particular moment of time, I think the battle is ended.
Adom FM, Asempa FM, Isha FM, Kwa FM, and your filling stations are who were Omeyimo, Kokromoti Power, your election headquarters, and your Nana Jantua, Ewahase, Yanim Penifoso, Esia, Eti, Amanyokoni say. We GD say young train MPP and MC for say young train NDC for say yarene but say electoral commission fire results no emma ye emfa wa chance to DNC so a near yet biano provisional results and I just say guso a eba no ma me nko mi ne PSC o PSC
everyone made us na I say before I bet to obey now now to say MPP for can so NDC yenim say na college and like young results fa it's young people for the political results. Now, honorable Mama who drew me kakra. I'm say MPP one coalition system no. Me name say Adom so na actually no. Senso machines no na anya problem o. A besi na results are yen saka yen de. Be 20 minutes ago na se sentiment can be here there. Ye wo yen results me na intact. Yen timen declare election what platform you so. So what I say, but obi anim say abatui anko ama MPP NDC ye bedin konim menka sa electoral commission be declare results no na NDC ebia say na so no be dat me there ye bedin konim because penia MPP fu ye dey I mo wa go kan won asabri eso ka chen so one second results crowded that baya near tini even though one declare results near no near me hu ewo Assin for who say enya da bia na sebe ye betra sema aban e de young second egwananka me ahia na ma adopt Assin of I am a second conference because of say won adi won huni won aya de man ayefe won a kire say enya aban na kire won ne a wo pekeke honorable over heady nam say open roads echi hey yesram momia money na monye nwi asama machines na ko yesram a wada room
I'm surprised about
na monye nwi asa
I'm surprised about PSC Omo country more than us so omo ye kwan ga meto se ye
Debbie mo na mo de machines aba mo ye mo na mo de machines aba ho
you see we don't want to go into the
election with the machines aba mo ba be ye
NDC rule this country more than us
na kwan na nka
omo no opportunity to do the road omo ane yeah no person road no ye ochirankwa road contract ye nyane sa Debbie draw me into it to have every responsibility to control say ye nya kwan na omo the opportunity me so there
MPP mu nusu a kwan mo nto aso
very good and I say kwan no kwan for that ko na ye so ko mo ye yanka ameto ye ya omo ya baso no wonya say ye mmodi omo bai no omo ye dey
yes ABY
me busa Debbie busa no so omo tab no mo opportunity to rule Ghana no e dey no omo ye e wo breku a
ABY you see You see, politics of ABI. Politics of deception. I can't want some. Ebi na o ye o. Unim say ye call Kumawu by election. Amo be ye propaganda. Ewo Assin ha say uko Kumawu a emfidi egu kwan ni so ye ye fi ho. Wa bra no kura bia eni ho. Oh say see a wasa be ye propaganda ni bi wa. Knowing very well say ye ba ha for the past 1 week. Ensure to sa except today. Contractor nakasa nim say ensure no ha won komo to adwumadi ni so. All the machines are on site. Enti machines no fa mobile. Enti ebeye nwanwa sa obetimi atena ha. Na watima kasa asem but you see that is NDC for you. Omu etwa tro agi to media omo ya de na mo say omo di mpuntuo ebra amanfo ne de enya wo omo tadwene mobile matimi anya hwe ewo Assin no for say happy bia by na road infrastructure motiwa monwene amanfo ne ho dia modwene ho ana ya propaganda motokane ana moye mucha dia moye ye mucha dia moye ye everyone monwene Assin for
everyone Collins everyone for 2016 Collins na Crawford omuka chese NDC ya mbo modern to muji abefi ya di abai ama 7 good years 7 good years after no more say isuoto until you to me yakwai after 7 years iti abusi ya dia tibuja
enti a progressive government here human yegusu ayeye enya boshe kra ni say ekwan ni yegusu ayeye
bia amugusu
oh yeah amugusu
ebi why
contractors na ayeye yegusu ebi wa ba mention yegusu ya
you do linter level
osi you do linter level omunya edu omunya mention the omaye mention the aye wa
ongoing
mention the oye
one at a time
me ka je chairman me ka je chairman
etias muti ya ya
obu for be chairman
adena wa 7 years abena mo say
Yaya Assin of Assin Prasu to Assin for the road. Yaya Atrotef. Yaya ayi ajadawa one more. Yes, it's secondary school. And you already lock. 8 years no more day. Omodia no work. Almost any highways. NDC by 8 years the community road no highway. And it's one man here. Obuko to almost of money. Say obu party no 8 years omo anya hwe ya omo de 8 years na NDC buy e Assin of NDC supporters they say omo ba na anya hwe MPP aba omo ebibi omo mpe that is NDC for you also for development yet that man be this 8 years wa anya hwe NDC supporters omo pe so ma ba na anya hwe MPP aba ye bibi ama Assin of ono omo mpe
so for ma me da masena me fa etudwa se lawyer eduji tamaklo edu fiase ya enche ye chamade nyabotre meba uso ma me ma lawyer eduji tamaklo akwaba lawyer akwaba eni piesie ma me ne lawyer nkasa lawyer akwaba
menu aba meda say enije nkwa enije ni free na unu say ene menu aba the Supreme Court of Assin of had deliver our verdict.
Supreme Court
the Supreme Court of Assin
of the Supreme Court.
And the Supreme Court
the Supreme Court of Assin
lawyer Supreme Court of
the people of Assin
the people of Assin of Omunya Court Omunya Supreme Court in the Kachan is the Omunya Supreme Court Kachan honorable
lawyer Tamaklo we are lawyer ni ye nim ne say adehye toaba Supreme Court ma ruling eti ne adehye ye wa Assin North na to aba e na say jubilation baby ya he na free ba enti udi jubilation na eba dia no wa hu
sabio se sia ye collation ayaye 99 polling stations ewo ho ewo constituency 89 out of 99 na oche results na kama papa na
results are enu fi here
oh say yensu ekura ye collation system
more results are makan
out of 99 polling stations
makan
say 89
and 89 kire say NDC lead
what the member results no ma
results no lawyer
Usrana
obi enso but ye twen ye no
meji mensa
ye man ye say adwuma no wo ha lawyer lawyer Tamaklo ye pese ye hu ne se o se ya kan ye ne ye hu ne se NDC lead si e be mo age electoral commission adwuma ye de tobo ansa do why you mitio lawyer mitio
wo de menka wo de trotto fapen 89 out of 99 polling stations NDC 15,503
lawyer nyabotre na tie me
11,659 LPG 78 ubetumi a confirm
ne amu ye meba ne amu ye electoral commission be bubo sesia na say different from moment dabi enya wo so na constitution enya wo na ma utumi say bobo
na me ne chama huntumi na ti ha o
ene go
say na me ne ti ha no unim de o kan ye o say angels ene na di nkomo say na o ti ha na oni angels ni di nkomo no o say at that time na 26,000 ato aba of the 26,000 MPP afa and also ka wasa fidie so o wa he
asane mu nyina maka ye beri ni maka
ni adubia sia o kokuma se afono no sese wa hudi aba o komfo tigare komfo ontimi hu so nyame nkwa na ye di ase da ma no choboy nyame isramo
ebusia lawyer Eduji Tamaklo ena yate nenkanuti mini agya ntoa who say wutie mpanifo minister ebeba so ansa no asori ebre tiawa na minister emfa emfiri mu ansa na minister be kono jantoa wutie results are eba from the reporters said dia baby wo hono mo a NDC akwa animu na MPP aba a chese saa na ekọ but NDC amanye okwo no so tumi kasi so bia se yare ni we emeye mre bi atwa mu de ni bi se dwon se munkobo hire mo sha asie mu de de wi asie na ntisa
and dangerous what miniamu lawyer mu ye ni very dangerous one say ye hu be pen comfortable lead bi abem pen kasa ye bi abemu pen enti right now no and I'm so glad to say ye nyi saade ni ntum e wo say me tie fontia say ye nyi saade ni ntum e yo mo results o musu o manya MBB fonso so mo results o manya for now ne de ye ntimi nyina so nkase de o mo kan ye no kre baya na de ehun ne se o mo mu wo akire no ejitum se oh NDC aka de ye nkofo ne se ye ne elidi MPP na akwa problem ba mesre amanyoko ne se yenka se mo mu koleti mo result but omo ba bonten no mo be ye ne sa na fe official result ne ba from EC na EC be ka se ente sa pe e ho na be ka se EC wa wiem ana se wan amane bebra ye hu 2020 no these are some of the things and I would prefer say at least we are collecting the results here, provisional results now. Say yes, they are fine, but in your official results now, of course, power. We will call it.
Yeah. The Bema for Chamade.
Many problem with your submission because you want to make sure that the official electoral commission, but that doesn't stop the party also telling its members where the position is. It doesn't stop us at all because you have people on the field. We also have people on the field. And we've got all along, people have been accusing NDC of not being able to collect results. So this time round, we set a time part that within a certain time period, we should have our result. We had 3 coalition, different result centers, 3 coalition centers. I wanted to see who will give the results first. And we are saying that per our analysis and per our result, and even from what Amwankasa, more friend, you can see the trend. You can deduce from what is happening from your reporters. The trend is going up. If NDC was losing, I'll confidently come out and say so. I'm the politician who doesn't want to lie. We know you say politicians are liars. But when is A is A, you understand? So don't run away from the fact that the party too has got the right. And the Electoral Commission cannot stop us. During our presidential election, we had our results by 11 p.m. 11. It took the Electoral Commission up to 2 a.m. So what they did was that they had to call us because they were not having the results. So they had to use what we have got to declare the results. I'm telling authority. So don't think that the EC is sacrosanct, that they are untouchable. No, they cannot do that. We have to declare the result because so that we will know that if somebody wants to do something untoward, we've got the result this time round.
By you declaring the results, not to the nation. Was an Electoral Commission. Yes. And one more day, but once I would the only 2 years, no, I can say, Electoral Commission, and Ramo Muchumi said, Mumfa Batron Susan saw the final results and to Betty, and no now can stop from some more demo dear Beba, but I wouldn't near what can soon say, near care was said no one electoral. Let me just say, I give Electoral Commission the authority to bid the final result, but that didn't stop me as a party to say my results. That is why you've called me here. Maybe many results be they common and nobody. Who come say yes sir. But who Mr. My result me compare. Mr. Me catch a man for say this is the trend. That's not the final result. But we are saying that for once we want to prove to the whole country that NDC can collect their results.
Enti se ekoba se
chairman so
ekoba se na etifa so a me resource ne ba na etifa so me fa ne say
na me na make sure say as far as meeting here resource no unless somebody goes to change a woman into a man, unless somebody goes to change a woman into a man. But from where I'm sitting now with you, no, I can tell you, they forgot. If they are windows, sit down. They know. Collins, once you are not, Collins said, I know, but I don't want to say it. Telling me, Mr. Case.
Chairman, I know you're moving me and
but I'm telling you, sir, question will be stabbing. Unless, as yet now, as you say, all of a sudden, the moon or the sun appears so that the darkness goes. Then there's a miracle. So all that I'm saying is, unless there's a miracle somewhere.
80 points I'm person who push Ghana for say NDC so to me I can about one time the results.
Exactly.
And one it is Electoral Commission the berry near her results na NDC for the A and no point na fe ya ka say much me akan sani e wo ka say mo person who push Ghana for say yes you to
pink sheet of the 99 police stations. We've gotten them. We've got Victoria, listen, pink sheet. Every pink sheet will be a paper turn for India, but we've got it. And then now, all the pink sheets are the hills just across the road. 99 pink sheets are there. 99. No bagawaya.
That's why, Nana. What would your NDC chairman say Ghana for because you have 2020 elections say abatwa yachwa ye de court nano Ghana for so bo mo de bo NDC ne say muntumi nkan aba yachwa aba wi muntumi nkan ti nno say omatumi akan say omantumi ankan no results ne ba and ye be hu akan
I understand but na omonso say amanyafo do mutumi ka bibia It's normal for them to excite their followers. On say omo supporters. And now you can prove something. Say to say LPG or I was on the baby. The way we see can confidently say oh we need but these things they are normal. I'm sure say utifie na omo hwe yen ene omo mutie no na utie chairman na when imagine as an NDC person normal e was so yes but what we know political psychology you make the other person feel say onya de me na me ya de. And this election also no I am sure some win here on say John Mahama can be say an assessment of the performance of the current regime. It is say omunya win here confirm bibia ma NDC for no towards maybe 2024. So omunsu lusu a MPP for no so benyo maka chom say montomo boase Ghana for ente the way amusi ho no enti na maka say right now what we know ni there whether NDC or MPP you cannot jubilate.
There's a OBA per seat no the approval point to the action you want to say baby airport additionally if you Adom FM Asempa FM Share FM Nkwa FM any affiliate stations say wo my Ghana mu Adom online so ye dem ho na streaming live on Facebook it is a wo hwe ye ne a and live from Assin Breku and ye way ye Assin North constituency na mom aprama ye wo so no Methodist Park enye ha and electoral commission ebe declare results no ye wo Roman Catholic Park e wo ho no mu a enche ye beko ho ukọ ho awia na otim say penifo asiesie wa ye bibia anwumrei results no ebe fi ho no mu aba etietiefo a ehwe ye woni a etie ye no yempon ye ye nyanwie ye a ye so yempon ye ne esese ye de babia no ye de bebra mu piesie na wanugumu a o ka bibi
say dem say o hwe say na bibia akona abato ni susan so no say won take kra na niam bebre dia dance say e one direction is a person me nya opepa na akoma beto ye on say abato ni susan so no I towards a particular direction e very obvious obi any to ai but baby here me ni abaye ba between December bebre course promises bebre course and you may be bebre shase bisa honorable brought here and say o check say kwanga na ofi ase ye no obetima ye awia na wanti me anyia no ti enya wonwa say be na o che say ne ye beba na machine bi enni ha a problem was a Ghana ye fi ase
o mantimi anyia no ate so o ka say enye ede ene ye de ye kwan eye ntoaso nti o mbe ne kakra
wode na he ne fi ase mrebe no wode machines ne bai wanga to aba ma MPP aban 7 years ni na rebe aka America krabi ni akwa another election won't me nya akwa nkopem say by election ni no timi recap so ba be yakwan enti yende say obi apa de papa obi apa kwan enti yeso nga be start na mum na ase make sure say wobetumi ayekwan na wie amma brekufo afa so mo ngani age say yensu no ofi ase a wonye wie bribia oba so ba be no me ye wie campaign yete Ghana gas for AstroTurf a obesi wa ha wojema ho za ban waye what the posters banners ko bobo so bia nim say Ghana gas and fee won ahodin mu ebe ye AstroTurf no Ghana gas e ya ban bi na fi ase o aban bi na establish it but because of political experience ye nuanom decided say one fair no ko dada o enipa me how ni say politicians aya bebre na na ye fo say enim nyansa ma na process be and so yeah name bia aya na mfata ye caught to the extent say campaign e dan personal so what I say one could be account mu one could be back enye fe Assin for aya dem say enche meba be Dr. Assin as my second constituency because one ati won hu ni ma na efe one ma ban hu say nra na nsuta won hu a wosore no won say former for ni akoya e wo ba bi no wo hu entiti enyom no also scan won aged ampa so e won scan ada na say basa ayo man ni ska o sanka ye no opposition party and no say sikasa anka yan question won bebre na mo ma ban what the young taxes in the best audio abang nya ko to kom ska o enfre ba ha agina na announce your tax people bo achi so wi Land Cruiser mo dia mo use bi. Wo tia so ba ko a be fuel e ben ni. O man ni sika. Oh, na sabe. Edo baby a na nyansa bebre nyansa dodo. Woni baby e go wi. Enti ya hwe say ye betimi eso aban no page. Wo amen. Sa campaign ni. Kan bia wo de machine ko si so. Wonye nwie. Now our force were smart. I can just about 1.5 years to 2024 election. Na wa. Enti wo do page akwan na kwe. So abesan baby o. I know many fo. So what them posai and age. So when you are to the bra, Uma Ponchi action. Officer was smart ama. 1.5 years. Obesan baby. It's 1 year kwan nto. No ba sam ko ba be ka kire the gufo no. Won abedi ho dance.
Abusia nimpesie ena ya tene nka no oye communication team member NDC amanyoko no mu ena owo chamade so ewo ha sei mini abema nana jantoa so ewo ha sei utie se ne nimpesie ne chamanade kasa na as a result no ye declare wie eti ye gi aban onto akwan ne so onto akwan ne so no onye as if say ya declare results na wie ama BBS
what's it daddy bi NDC Rebia no just ye nim coalition ye nim ya ma ne broso ye fi ye nya na since 1992 one abrebia won ho ye no akotro ho enkrata soling verdict no be sure chasing the
DNC ye
prempren
DNC ye mribi na nsem bi de DNC ye because o ka say ye nim kan eso edru ba bi a who say enfonso aba mu da ti na ase nne you want to prove a point to Ghana
say yen ye ka no e say Ghana fo so tie kakra
yen sema
na ye ka say niema bi ankoye wo ba bi tie won sem kan tin ko ma yen kwan ne yen kire ba ni pa bi ante yen ase osusu so papa so pa homa so yen ha ne ye pe yen mu na da bi nya sa ne ye pe ne yede enya e bi kran see da say ya to aba wi na decent man and collect one result e fa ne ko see e bi see da yen nuanom no ande da bi a won sem a wogina so a I formal reason our force when they lose election. By any person ka won makwan na emu ewe nsem mu. Ni an kire say aha na si ni. Hwe na no ye 2020 ye call Supreme Court. Ya nko based on quantitative. What I say? Ye call based on qualitative. Ye later commission so say wan nya adwuma papa. Enti nke ya na nuko di nkomo. Ni a kire ba bi oto sin. But ye nya kwanya. What I say? Enya say bia na ye ni results ya nko se ekotre se oyi na yira wa da bi ye di onyina so say obi adwuma wanye ni ye nti no declare results bi a ye susu se emretia nya sa na ekokan ni think wo ma ye nkwan anke ye be kire se ye collect results na mpa na enim se na se to but ye nya sa kwanya no bibie no je se NDC bi go ye nim ya papa na no na
mo nya kwanya nkan abato no nsusu so no
ya nko abato kan Young court Supreme Court say your coin say electoral commissioner declaration be na because on the declaration no yes so say obi antimi ankroso 50 plus 1 mark 50% plus 1 but court na mark am ya misa question says here is
that's it
me dey you confirm actually say BBA no HSN DC yentimi collect results yenimi ye kra ma ne broso na mum aya na somdwe bi ene ye pese Ghana nkoso enjoy asumdwe bi a ya nature from 1992 enti ne abai esene signal to union member before ne awoye nyina achi sika bebreba wo chei niama osusu obetimi dia beda da asenfo ama wo hu se wo se senra nsuta no won ante a wo sori no wo hu se former for
that's it Fred Agbanyo ewo ha nana ebusia Fred Agbanyo edufia say Fred akwaba
menaba boko na wa ohia boko asidan de be
ko se de mudimri ko bi afese ofa ha no de na matie de na mohu de na matie de na mohu me bisa Fred de na matie de na mohu e se mu na betimi aka se chitafo yi tudwum gu ye so a mo masem a mo ka se yare mo nkwaya kwan mo he no mo anyai e no mo gina so nti de na mohu
oh they say na me pay free collection center
okay mo e kan
mo center I want me free this year there were 99 branches another police stations our constituency way Now, they say I'm can say at the time I was living there, they are collecting 96. There are only 3 police stations. And with the 93, now NDC, you only do 55%, 57% of the votes. Now here the remaining votes now can. Oh yeah, ne bia enye. Anything.
No, but I can now confidently.
Information.
I can now confidently. I can now confidently.
Saying what?
Tell you that. I can now confidently.
Oh my. Yeah.
Chairman, me more results in here.
Oh my. Sign language.
I can now confidently.
Yeah, we need election. We are.
I can now confidently. I can now confidently. But look what say, Jantua. Look what say. The Electoral Commission in some few hours, the probability to declare the opposition NDC as winner of this by-election is very high, almost 99, almost
99.9. 99.9%.
But not confirmed. The likelihood for the
but the revolution has come to stay. Revolution has a long way to go, but has come to stay. Gaddas may go, Gaddas may come, but the revolution has come to stay. Revolution has a long way to go, but has come to stay.
But Motumbuasi ni yasa. Motumbuasi. Chairman Pacho, mama eto Buasi ni. Yeah, that was it. When you call, oh, Mutumbuasi. Any more than Ashas here, and Chebia. Mutumbuasi. Said ye, Kumau, Mumuna ya Mukoeno. Assin not, mostly Ako. But the Electoral Commission for a declare. But so far, provisionally, what we have seen, what our reporters have gathered to us, if we are to go by our provisional results, the NDC is the second away from becoming still the people representing them in parliament. But it is very clear. Very clear.
It is right, sir. I was telling you, the job of MU is also to educate the public and to tell them the trend of affairs.
When internet chairman make a show say, yeah, information, verify, and sana, even though say you provisional, no, verify because mpesi ebema force so be ebeka say a free multimedia until you say your election headquarters. Who say or mind by or say I can confidently say that means say you verified your neighbor.
At least you have been vindicated. That's what I want to tell you. That at least you have been vindicated. Where my brother was getting his results, we also had a system of getting our results, and it is educating the people. I'm glad, sir, as you sit here, all the people sitting here at NDC, MP before the Mwetani, the moment they left the table is an indication that we have been vindicated.
So we are just waiting for the Electoral Commission of Ghana to confirm our provisional results, which indicates that the opposition NDC likelihood of maintaining.
We have maintained the seat. There is no likelihood. We have maintained the seat. There is no issue of likelihood. It's a definite statement that we have retained the seat. We never say that.
All right, so Yadamasi, I think that your election headquarters in Kumewu, we sang a certain song. In Assin North, Yabama went to be a electoral commission. A zoo, a Zuza, a zoo, mia. What you was?
All right.
About some moment, Akaka Krabi. Mama and chain.
Bamra.
Akaka Krabi.
Bamra.
Mama and chain.
Now, I never back 2024.
And now pray into my America. One we are now supporters. One which is my
say Anna and Rami Baha. Ebet now say, elect me a winner. Me major politics here. What's my minka? Me boy.
Nam Simen Kawa.
And I make sure on say, Niaunu Nay. Come 7th December 2024. And no NDC. NDC. Yebe winning with 168 parliamentary seats. Now President Mahama are forming the next government. And that's what is going to happen.
So,
2024 national CNA.
So, Equia, the TNA.
Results, no.
We don't want to lead the electoral commission.
Yeah.
But our provisional results. Our provisional results. Our provisional results. Our provisional results. Mami ma okwana for komami.
99 polling stations here yensaka no. Out of 99 yensaka 99 no. Sa na tie. NDC amanyokuo no. Emma wenya LPG amanyokuo ma wenya NPP amanyokuo Emma wenya eni.
Kumewu. Okay, so
mention it.
Yeah, but declare Pamcho. Yes, sorry. Sorry. Bobosu.
Ansana yebeka no. Yes, said Timubio said
provisional results.
Yeah, a free
provisional results.
Yeah,
provisional results. Provisional results. NPP
nya 11,389.
LPG.
Mamefa percentage nintwa so representing 42%.
42%.
LPG amanyokuo no enya 85 representing 0.28%. Ena NDC amanyokuo no 17,205. Oh my.
Yadamasi.
Oh my.
Enti ma engineer sa kwanya wesu. Now your election headquarters, Kokomoti Power, on behalf of ASCJ, Jantua, Ekriabuachua, the entire team, Enkwa FM, Adom FM, Akwasinsia, all of you in Accra, everywhere. Results: provisional, MPP, 11,389, representing 42%. LPG 85, representing 0.28%. NDC 17,205, representing 57.4%. Provisional. If it goes by this, it means that the NDC parliamentary candidate, Yera James Jechi Kwesi.
Results nanya believe. Near Matthew, son, and I'm a patch of any agent. The patch of Sanya Pello, Sanya Pelipa, Sanya Sino for your Pello, Sanya and Pepper. Message, Sanya Naya Pello, Sana, Mepat, I am an abroso. Now, Sana, they say there was a by-election. At the Puntu, at the development macro, it is the person almost a biomla. Aboba, Sana Bayer. Opoku ni Musa, Aya Kwesianeko, Opoku ni Musa, Aya Kwesianeko, Opoku says, you have a Kwesianeko, Opoku ni Musa, Aya Kwesianeko, Sawukasa. Adiano akoye adwomto ye ba bia du no adiano akoye adwomto eti ye bom modern say e benya ba ku mienu ne ani o makasa yanto a bibia nana som maye na enkomo twetwe no oho
to boss
madam
eti they say provisional results in the say where provisional results no because you're too confident, what happened?
Oh, yeah, they are confidence. You must say, I don't know too much. I did be a whole free step. I know. Oh, too much time. I said that I and the other play home. And it is to say, no matter how it is, and say, yeah, and so I know the size and yeah. No, say all we need. It's no quite NDC for us. NDC for us, say, David, if I won't call, and not yet, the man is such a form. I'm going to question. I've got tell you, Mupo, never told me what prison. So I'm going to look for you. Or the prison said, I'm crying. Never told me. NDC is still NDC. That's a poquity at Timmy. But I have a crowd. I'm going to be caught. I tell you, crowd, what not just a poco. Echo Parliament, manage it. You're too him. I say, him. It's a chance of year. You're promising to say, if I'm in sense you form, and one year, I know. What's it? 200 cities. No, man, yeah, one I could only 200 cities. Tobu in Kyoto, I can I baby fine idea. I just say a tree. So I bear one to be. So also want to be. Won't come home. Oh, man, no. Say, Abani Abatunagasa. No, your question. Only Papa no one vote. Or no one to about. Say, Nipa 5 pound to Abba. Or not.
ne ekoto a obenya fo ita ade ono we lusu dada okoso eba fo na ye hu se bleku ye pempuntu ye hu se by election dia etumi ye mpuntu ye peso obi abewu wo de samuka se wo de no kotu wo de no court ye be say by election by ye samo machines na bodi abana mudi to kwano mo mo fa machine nyina ha de ye kwano nyina ansa eba kwa akọ sa machine kwa dia no jeso kuba wude mo kwa ye ho no the same thing na mo ye wa ha na we ye signal man na do we ye signal man Assin Central we ye signal man Assin North Assin South so city ni nyina me ya ready say NDC for ya ba sakakai ya ba city ni nyina
ade nti a yegyina so ade to abama Mr. Kwesi ni say oyo obi oyo kukudufo okasa oyo na wonum ne oye empo ne ne agini bi say ade ko to prison cry be to abana man fi say oyo obi a oyo kukudufo ye oka obeye yenum say abaya to we oni hwamoda okoda prison cry yesa be to abani bi me de ama no yenum say by election ye de siesie kuro nti ye hu say Ghana man pani o sisisuye by election obetu de siesie kuro dia yesra ne say onse na adwen na o ma impuntuo emra o ma mititu ye breku ha ne ne patam ha no enye nti onse na adwen every Ghana mabu no wo bu no
to no we o to aba no we
to ma NDC
to no we
to Assin conference
yeah that's it what there ya o so wa kasa bi mama
ya be bomba na happy so resign
no because kuma ufo ya se mi ansia hu se sana nado ni MPP omu osika de campaign and a school feeding almost means ya almost the campaign and I'm collecting form almost the campaign and I'm collecting textbooks almost the campaign and I have yeah so ya dream with her and me you sha the first question I go prisoner I go nsuamu onu an e to ma no yeah so ya dream that and so china the NDC they should watch out for 2024 e be massive victory to ya hwe thank you.
Yes, that's it. Enti nana say utie nipa ye ne omo utie nipa ne omo kasa nyina the corn no ne say ya to aba na wie empuntudwuma empanimfo hyase no omo nto aso na omo enye eti ye hwe animu atasa electoral commission ebenya declare the certified results ebeba no na say NDC amanyokuo no wasem a woka si ebeto aso aye kwan no say ye nto aso nye no na yehu wo na afi kuma se ba kuma wudi no say ento aso wo
entisa first no omo ho dia ba entisa first no we honorable minister honorable Amakwata ka say enye by elections ntia eno mo beye enti I am sure say based on the work no e kire say after by elections ye be so meto aso ahoden kwan so to say they no omu ye na because according to him no e won krata so time no na dru say omu be ye ho adwuma ene e wonam kwan so be won say fefefe ye ba time ma won say omu di anye aguso omu guso eye enti say honorable say enye by elections no dia ene sa ahom kana na o kanu na nkofo ne kire say omu pese omu be ho. But it's going to be very interesting because we'll be following up on this particular issue. How it's going to be.
MPP amanyokuo no. MPP amanyokuo no empanimfo so ye hwese ensabeka wo na ne aka efu omuso kache ye de aba. Eti ahwefo a ehwe ye fi Adom TV, utie ye fi Adom FM so Asempa FM, Asia FM, Nkwa FM, and the affiliate stations aburu aka na say ye social media platforms ni nyina your election headquarters Kokromochi power ya de ba ye biso ya de eba eti abuja ko na na wo how my no ha team no very solid team ye guso ya de eba samba.
Just last week ye de ne court obekoko today bia ni sa no mani nyina no aboa onu jachi Kwesi because Oma who say sympathy vote ye tata no do say ye tete no ye fema no na de besinsi ni ye hwe de ombeye e no mo de man kwa nkroma the same thing o win here wow ejiro obia asha Odamtin and versus status global 2020 tamai similar thing and when this kind of be no tata na and who lose that seat no but usha NDC they learn their lessons from Kumawu And no matter
almost at the end different.
This time no, they were serious, and now every electoral area be group way our comfort, group way our breaku, group way our enja, group way our ha. Papa Jamamu.
But MPP
they were on the ground.
Say the same thing, but
MPP. Oh, say now, me who say what was their message? What did you question?
As a star, any pani na kokko tuna.
And was
omo to no hwa.
Omo message omo de call no, and ya ye we amamu, and ya ye we amamu. Sa no man na
omo to man ko be sa ko
physical infrastructure na mo yen baby ah. So what is different? Message be pa na be kan.
Am for say we dress rehearsal for 2024 election we NDC we no. Election 2024.
No, we one constituency. 2024 no, a different game altogether. Ono MPPD omo new candidate neighbor enye Kufuado. And I know so 275 constituencies. And election be in dynamics. We are parliamentary no dynamics is different from presidential. After MPP so be in there. Now for one be translate your message in the aba. Omo be turn Ghana for na nyina say e be to man for 3 mu a. Enti we no election omo koye no. Ni omo kan Jati Kwesi na be chinatum na mo de no.
Jati Kwesi be nya asumbia na adwuma.
Asumbia die. Onya nya na adwuma. If it's a court assembly down, criminal charge down so. The term be an obeko court. Until the court so the BBA to me see.
Then obetimi aye dia ma ne manfo gidi a omoso anya woni mu ata na chebre mu odin.
Oye MP, o ma kire say. Omo penasem. Na emfa ho o hawo ne no mo akomunu. Still am da so gidi achi. Court na be kanasem.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, go so atwen abato komisa no na yode beba bia so no trusters see the hunsu so beba from na say ampo for J and the production team no led by AC Ohene general manager Abla Udu so techre den na Wolanyo chese ochiame am akoda kwa kwasinsia Sarah Priscilla na omo work ground so no so ene wa wani tua se omahene kwabena sante mekua boacho yi Adom na na kodwojan toa afi Dominic Isiebo a wo be Kofi Ampedu na dache hene akowa chese sound ni engineers e di akire adamadonum enya semketo mo hwe set chese obia ya na fa wo ba in house akra na jodunum ne logosunum enso adwuma o maye wo ha ene other set designers in fact production team na ya adwuma papa obia part bi also play bia o play but yemfa unzi ha eden a se bibi kura na efrato bi mu a ye be sa ba bi na ya ba bibie so e de akireo na se nkoma mu nso a mosmo hwe ye na de bia mu da so tayechi e trust ye se ha e election headquarters ne reference point ba abato ho nsem a ye be sa hia bi e be foforo ye da masim